MVP1 is a mobile CMMS built for technicians first. Simple, fast, and designed from decades of real maintenance experience. Whether you're on the factory floor or offline with limited connectivity, MVP1 keeps the work moving, so tools help technicians instead of slowing them down. Assigned work orders are prioritized and ready. One tap starts the job, and the app automatically tracks time in the background with no timers to manage. Technicians see everything they need in one place: schedule details, maintenance history, and required parts. Check out parts with a tap, or scan a barcode to instantly identify an asset and populate accurate information. Step-by-step instructions, photos, and manuals guide every repair so the right work gets done the right way. Add comments, meter readings, failure codes, and photos, capturing equipment condition in seconds. Time, labor, and signatures are all captured inside the same workflow. No paper, no missing information. Collaborate with teammates through Huddle for effortless communication. Whenever unplanned work happens, a technician can walk up to any asset, scan the barcode, create a work order in seconds, and capture 100% of the work being done. After a work order is completed, managers see a true picture of downtime, duration, and labor, tracked automatically, not estimated. Parts and labor costs roll up in real time, giving leadership asset intelligence to plan smarter, reduce failures, and do more with the same resources. Modern user experience, professional implementation, passionate human support. Move from reactive maintenance to continuous improvement with MVP1. To learn more, contact us today.